Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be really short but very informative. So many questions can be asked in NEET exam or JEE exam as well from this topic. So you would have probably guessed what it is right now. So it is isomerism that we are going to discuss in today's video. So first, isomerism, broadly you can classify it into structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. So first, you know what is isomer, right? They have the same molecular formula, okay, but the properties of which will be different. Okay, why the properties different? Maybe the structures can be different, so and so we'll discuss about it. So first, broadly isomerism, structural, stereo. So structural vandu enna compounds they have same molecular formula, but now only I told you they might have different structures. But stereoisomerism means they have same constitution, same, everything is just the same. Okay, if you take two isomer, they have same number of bonds, same number of atoms, everything will be the same, but the position of the atom will be changing. Okay, there is totally difference between this and this. Now we will see what it is. Now let us go with the basic one, that is stereoisomerism. When it comes to stereoisomerism, there are two types, that is geometrical and optical. So you would have already seen cis and trans, right? Optical isomerism. In this, suppose there is carbon and hydrogen, NH3, NH3. So everything is just the same, but this is cis and this is trans, means oppositely arranged, that's it. So only the arrangement will be different, but other than that everything is just the same. Okay, that is the number of bonds, so everything is just the same, only the spatial arrangement will be differing, that is optical. So geometrical isomerism means similarly like that, if you take one phenyl, two butene, the geometrical arrangement of the atom will be different. Okay, this isomerism, it arises because of different possible geometrical arrangements of the atom around the double bonded carbon. So this is the double bonded carbon, around this the atom arrangement will be different, that is geometrical isomerism. Now let us come to the main one, that is structural isomerism. So structural isomerism means they have the same molecular formula, but they will be having different structures. First will be chain isomer. So chain isomer means the two or more compound, they are having similar molecular formula but different carbon skeleton. Like if you take C5H12, okay, CH2, CH, like that, there's a linear arrangement also. And also like this, in the form of a branch also it will be arranged in the secondary manner or in the tertiary. So primary, secondary, tertiary, like this also it will be arranged, but all mean the same thing, that is all have the same formula. This is normally chain isomerism. In the form of chain they differ. So generally remember primary, secondary, tertiary, like that. If you are given three structures, that is chain isomer. Position isomer means the position of the functional group. You see here, it is not about the chain, it is not about that this is secondary, all that. It is just here you can see that OH is attached, but here to this carbon, but here you can see to middle carbon it is attached. So the compounds which differ in the position of their functional group, that is position isomer. Just from the name itself it is clear. Functional group isomer means they will have two different functional group. You take C3H6O, here you can see C double bond O, here CHO, this is ketone, this is aldehyde, like that. Totally different functional group itself will be there, because the position, depending on that, the functional group itself will be different. So same formula but different functional group, that is functional group isomer. Metamerism means, you see, there are different alkyl chains on either side of functional group. You have one functional group in the center, and on the either side, that is on both the left and right side, there are different alkyl group. Now that is metamerism. So to this we have covered all the isomerism, and in the NEET 2021 they have asked a question from this chart. So we can also expect a question for 2024 NEET exam from this chart. So this is just some general isomer related points. If you just remember this, it is more than enough to solve any question in isomer. Next I will put a trick on how to find the number of isomers. So that will be in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.